our live nor the trader development. But we're back today, so I hope you had a great day. Was able to take advantage of the game plan that I sent across. So let's start off with the big picture, and first let's talk about the unemployment data. Okay, so the what's being said is that the Fed is expected to hold the rates based on the data. So if you see here, 7:30, we had the spike reaction to the data being released, and the employment data is stronger than expected. Okay, so with with the zero chance of the cut, I think that if we look at where we are, most recent trends, support holding, we saw the rally uh, uh, at the end of the year, and then we pulled back, and then beginning of the year we've been rallying. We saw the drop yesterday. Um, I think that this it isn't news uh, that will cause a, from my perspective, that will cause us to just have a complete reversal, right? Even though rate cuts is something that the market is looking to looks forward to. So we see the spike. So now, question is, will that spike be faded at the open, or will this reaction sort of just um, be in line? This reaction be like inverse, right? And we just continue with where we were going uh, since the start of the year, right? So we had a pretty strong market since the start. When I say strong, it's just been holding up. It's just been holding up. Okay. So look at the SPY. We created all-time highs, and now we've gapped up. So we had some movement. So we'll see if this becomes a fade, or even if it fades and then bounces or continues. Right. So we're close to breaking highs again. Here, yesterday was pretty choppy on the SPY, but this move up here, this volatility that has come into the market, with that that data, we'll see if something, if we have volatility come in, and how that will impact stocks, how the market will react to that. Um, okay, so I think that if we look at, let's look at some of the other tickers that will be impacted by that data being released. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining, everybody. I am having issues with my trading view. My other websites are working. Hmm. Yeah, trading view is kind of acting up for me. I may have to pull up Dash Trader Pro. Okay, so we have that. Also, we have today the Supreme Court's ruling on the tariffs as well. Okay, all right. So let's jump into uh, individual names. Okay, so we saw the energy, OKLO, SMR. We saw those start to ramp up. Um, OKLO had news, and if you look at it, it's a bigger name that gapped up on that news with the meta deal. So OKLO gapping up. I'd be expecting SMR and NNE also to follow, right? So those gapped up, even if it was to sort of short back here, we still have clear levels to for a bounce, or if continuation were to happen, then that could be a possibility. So that meta deal is caused that that spike. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, this is a bummer. Hold up. This is it's a bummer. Let me see if I can just switch over. I could even go to trade ideas, trade ideas chart. This one is moving a lot faster, better. These charts are ugly though. I mean, I'm sorry. I mean, not ugly, but they aren't as beautiful. Let me say that. Say that. So, all right. So, OKLO. I'm just going to talk through this while we have these issues. All right. So, OKLO here. All right. Another one that's up on the scan is QURE. Yeah, I apologize, y'all. I can talk through this. So, my charts may be lagging a little bit here. But yeah, so QURE. All right, here we go. FDA review talks revive hopes for Huntington's therapy. All right, so spike here. At one point, this thing was up $67, and I do believe I was looking at this the other day, and there was a drop due to data that was released, and we started to see a spike. Oh, here, this spike is just sort of kind of like reviving the hype around around QURE. So that could be a play that sort of kind of like shapes up, and if volume comes in at the open, then we could see it we going along. Hey, did you check ST? Yeah, I did, man. I saw it later. I didn't trade. I wasn't there, so I wasn't able to trade it. I'm gonna jump into it in just a second. Just kind of covering like some fresh news names, and then I'll jump right into those. I'll jump right into SXTC. That one was a crazy one yesterday. I hate that I missed it. I hate that I wasn't there. Okay, all right. So let me just kind of mouth off some of these. SXTC ramp up, and then it's gonna eventually unwind. So just know that like the cycle of these stocks are these sort of shorts get trapped. Liquidity comes in, short liquidity comes in, and then they run up, and then this is going to be an unwind. It's going to be a blow up. It's going to blow. It's going to get. The buyers will get trapped, and it's going to turn. So just be aware of that, and you know, get your scalps in, get in, get out, get in, get out several times, and then you know, just be careful buying without that consolidation and breakout. So SXTC, that's one. ONDS is another. ONDS is another one. This is we've been talking about this one as a we've been discussing this as a longer term bullish play. So it's just been in our game plan for months. We've been trading it. We're trading it all last year, and then we started trading again once it started to turn, and then it's just been strong this year. Broke out of the range here, and then we've just been having continuation. So ONDS is another that's on the list. All right. So space names. So we traded Sea-Doo, Rocket Labs, ASTS. Lunar is one that as well. But these charts, yeah. So